Hi, I'm Christy. Welcome back to All About Food. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make pasta with Filipino style marinara sauce.
1 Del Monte tomato sauce, original or Filipino style. 12 cloves of garlic minced, 3 medium onion minced, 1/4 to half a cup of cooking oil, 2 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon of rock salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried basil and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a cup of water, 2 nor cubes, optional, 2 tablespoons sugar. Preheat a medium non-stick pan. Put the cooking oil. In a medium heat, heat the oil for 5 minutes. Sauté the onions. When you smell the aroma of onion, add the garlic. When you smell the aroma of garlic, add the tomato sauce. Add half a cup of water. Add rock salt. Add dried oregano. Add dried basil. Add paprika. Add white pepper. Mix it. Add nor cubes. Add sugar, any types of sugar. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Set it aside. Brown your ground meat by rendering the fat in a non-stick pan, low-medium heat. Remove any excess fat. When your meat is cooked for about 20 to 30 minutes, add the marinara sauce. In a casserole, when your water is boiling, put your pasta and boil it for 7 minutes. Let this simmer. Stirring occasionally to avoid your pasta from sticking together. Put your pasta directly to your sauce. Toss the pasta and the sauce. Put your garnish and your favorite cheese. Our finished product, pasta with Filipino style marinara sauce.
Please comment down below what is your favorite sauce of pasta. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.